Before we dive into any of the breeding, palpations, flushes, embryo transfers, let's check some of the settings required in WISE option from the main screen. I'm going to ask you please to go, well, make sure you log in, switch users, and you are logged in as the administrator. Administrator privileges will be needed for this action. And then you go to Tools and Options. And as soon as you get into the setup for WISE option, go to the Mare Management tab and make sure that we have the stallion, donor, recipient mare, palpation, and the prostin charge code set properly. Also, it is good for you to check how many days old should the embryo be for reminders, and if you're doing flushes with 7 or 8 days. Basically, these first check boxes, I should say drop down list boxes, are the most important. Once you complete these changes, just click OK, and the program is going to save the changes. Now you're good to go for your stallion and mare management operation in WISE option. Thanks for watching.